In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the wiper blades on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Pull the wiper arm up. There should be a little tab under here. We'll push on that tab and pull the wiper down, and we'll disconnect from the arm. Grab your new one. Install it onto the arm. Give it a push, make sure it's locked in, then return the arm to the glass. Repeat the process for the other wiper.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.